Actually, it is getting late and I am tired, so...
See? You're the lady now. Take off.
Andrew.
Well, it's okay. He's not really that tough.
Andrew! George! Oh, stop it, the two of you, this instant!
You know, my parents had a great life. Yeah, I heard him through the wall in my bedroom once. It was kind of like, That's the sound my mom makes when she climaxes.
Hey, time for cobbler. George, you have to have this. It's absolutely scrumptious.
Go to your room!
George!
You heard me. Go to your room.
Mr. Williams, what's wrong?
Bree, please back me up.
I can't allow you to discipline my child if you won't even tell me what he did. George! George!